So there's Create, there's Ace itself. What are the other verticals? What
Right.
else
So
you
there's
do?
productions that we deal with, theatre productions. There's Numero Uno, which is something that we started, and we brought Lior in. In fact, Lior Sushard, he was here at your studio, I think, and
He's quite amazing.
did many such tricks with you all. So there's Lior, of course. There's Numero, and we're bringing in, of course, I'm very excited, but we're bringing in ABBA.
Wow.
Yeah, well, not the ABBA,
Yeah,
but
I know
ABBA. Well, so that's on in April, so gear up for that. That should
Superstar.
be fun. Yeah, so there's that. Then, of course, we design and develop a lot of events, customized events, but they're very, very specific in... they're not just run-of-the-mill events. So we work very hard on them. Apart from that, of course, we have our Ace Talent, which is, like I said, where Tane went off to act in Slumdog Millionaire. So we showcase and we train a lot of talent to be able to, when they have to get work in the theatre, in film, in television, whatever. So they are able to showcase their talent.
There's Create.
Create, which is our foundation. And we have Ace Celebrations, which is another part of our
Which is what,
company.
parties?
Not really parties, but celebrations is the
Occasions.
difference. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
celebrations are the
absolutely.
difference.
Again, customized, very customized.
This is Good Morning Mumbai, and you're with Rishi K.
Radio 1.
Rahul Padamsi is with me, and what an hour it's been thus far. It really fascinates me when I meet people like yourself, Sanjana Kapoor, Shanaz Patel, people who've grown up in the theatre, and how fascinating life must have been for you. So share some memories. I mean, do you remember when you first got onto stage, or when you were, in the wings?
Of course.
As Alec and Pearl's daughter.
Of course. Actually, our home was designed as a theatre. I don't know whether you
Wow,
know
I
that.
didn't know.
Yes. So my father built it from scratch, and the drawing room was actually the stage. The terrace was the audience, and all our bedrooms were the entry-exit points and the dressing rooms. So every evening we had theatre workshops in our home. We had people, and I'd never ever had an evening where, there were not at least 20 people in our home. My mother used to cook every day for them. Personally, I mean, her food was absolutely, unbelievable. And I don't know whether they actually came for the food or the theatre, but, one of the two or both. So, so really, I've been exposed to drama, if you want to say, from day one, from the very beginning, from the get-go. So, and my father used to, when we used to have our birthdays, he used to have these little playlets. All my friends had to get together and we all did a little play and got into costume, and so it was
What
very,
fun.
very exciting. Yes, it was really, really fun. Really fun.
Is there a play that you've seen and you say, Ace has got to do this. I've got to bring this to the Mumbai stage or the Indian stage. Is there anything like
I
that?
have to tell you, I went to Vegas.
Wow.
I love musical theatre, and I love, apart from, of course, the small, intense work that I've seen and been part of, the spectacle is something that really excites me, and the fact that the dynamics and the whole, it's amazing. How do they get it right every single time? So I went last year and year before actually, and saw Love, the Beatles, Cirque du Soleil. And and I've grown up on the Beatles, and the creative interpretation of those songs was just mind-blowing. So much so that I went back the next year and I saw it all over again because I just wanted to understand. And, for a theatre person, it's not really only about somebody's come on stage, the curtains have opened, you've seen the whole thing, boom, it's over and it's done with. No, there are like 101 dynamics that go into it. So, the thought process of what the creative designer was thinking of when he put this red thing along with that, and then that smoke came out and that light came on. So it's just a wonderfully exciting experience to see all this. And yes, so that would be one that I would love to bring.
A last leg of conversation with Rahul Padamsi up ahead. So, what does the future hold for Rahul, for Ace, before you go?
So there's
us a
lots lined up actually for 2015. We have, of course, our two productions. That's JCS and Unfaithfully Yours. We're bringing in ABBA, as I said. We have another fantastic production that we're planning in the second half of the year, which is on, believe it or not, Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian Freedom Movement. And bringing that as a relevant piece of understanding for children today. You know, everybody looks at them as, oh my God, you know, that elderly man. Yes, he was the father of the nation, but they know very little else. And since this is the 100th year that, that they're celebrating, etc., we want to be able to also do our bit in terms of working this and making it relevant for the kids. So freedom is a big one that's on the Mahatma. Apart from that, we're also working on the Ramayana, which is another wonderful play. Again, that works a lot with kids. Apart from that, what else do we have? Yes, we have lots happening. We have our Mumbai Matters, the musical, which is happening for summer. So I'm just giving you what we're doing with the kids right now. So Mumbai Matters, the musical, works with what's happening in Mumbai today and what is it that we can do to fix it. I mean, we're all complaining. We're all saying, this is something my father taught me. He said, stop complaining. That's how we were brought up. Tell me what you're going to do about it. So I said, okay, fine. If I've lived by that maxim, maybe I can share some of that with, the kids today. So that's great. And it's done in musical format. And it's really fun. It's really fun. We're developing that at the moment. And apart from that, of course, we are also working on a children's repertory. A repertory company that will work and design and develop new pieces of theatre for kids, with the kids, on a consistent level. And there's another one where we're looking at doing a playwriting competition where we have 20-minute plays that are going to be written. So that's for young adults and adults. So that's great.
So the future's so bright, you have to wear shades.
I love your lingo.
Wonderful hanging with you, and all the best to you and to Ace.
Hey, Rishi,
and I will
great.
see you soon. Yeah.
Awesome. See you.
Bye-bye.